think Emeka Egbuka is a big talking point right now. Very easy to say that he was the most efficient wide receiver in the opening 7 weeks of the season and has been the least efficient wide receiver over the last 7 weeks. It is twofold here. One, went back. He's been open over the last 5 games, and in each one, he just has a horrific drop. And the worst one was this week against the Saints. It was a double move score. Now, the pass slightly off target. He did have to twist a little bit, but I mean, it was right in his face mask. Then there have been other ones where it's just, outside breaking routes, speed outs that just a drop. There was an inside breaking one and, zone coverage. And so defense is converging on him, but it's a great ball and it's just flat out dropped. And now, like against the Rams or some of these other teams, he's also getting open down the field. And his quarterback is just misplacing these passes.
Baker Mayfield 3 years ago was about league average. Last year was elite in his accuracy down the football field, well above the league average. And then this year, he's been bottom 3 in accuracy according to PFF. I think he's playing through something, but that's not going to help us out. You don't get like pity points in fantasy football because your quarterback's playing through something. And then, I hate to be as simple, but Emeka Egbuka, he's getting open still. He has to catch the football.